Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yes! Hello! Hi everyone! It's February already! It is a perfect time to make a delicious yet simple to make creamy coffee flan special for Valentine! So, let's get started! First, let's gather all the ingredients and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the baking pan. Here I'm using 2 6-inch baking pan, and you also can use ramekins or whatever you have at home.
It sound right, boys.
Combine the eggs and the sugar in the bowl and mix until the sugar is dissolved. Now it's time to add in all the remaining ingredients and mix everything until well combined.
Sound right, boys.
Time to make the caramel. Add the sugar and butter into a skillet or a saucepan. Cook over medium heat with a wood spoon. Stir constantly. Add some water. And we still keep stirring until the color turns golden brown. Now add in some salt and keep stirring. Immediately remove from the heat and pour the caramel in a baking dish. Then tilt the pan to distribute the caramel into an even layer on the bottom, then let it cool. Now it's time to pour the custard over the hardened caramel. Place the pan and pour hot water into the baking dish. And bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Flan is done when the center jiggles when we wiggle the pan. And ta-da! Making this dessert at home is a great choice because it's so simple to make. Having this as a sweet treat for Valentine's Day? Why not? Because this is a creamy coffee flan special for Valentine! See you next time! Bye!